have a look at what our potatoes are doing. Oh, it's time. Ooh, I've almost fallen back. They've flowered, they've died, and let's see what we've got. All right. Lots must be under the surface at the moment. Let's have a look. Yes, that's the start of the potatoes. So let's see. This whole bed is made up of potato plants. Oh, I can feel some down deeper. That's a good size. Not quite sure how deep they go, but I can feel one right down there. Oh, there's another one. Sorry about the sound. We're right next to the road. That one had a good one on it. A couple of little ones on the plant, but they're no good really. So we'll just chuck them over there. We'll compost all of that back down into the soil afterwards. Just got to go for a bit of a dig. See what I can find. What got left in the soil after we pull them up. Oh. Another one. I'll have to get the fork in here later, I think. In case we miss any up here, this is good ones. Wow. Here we go. Potatoes like to go down quite deep. So it's not just what's on the surface. There's a couple of little ones. They're not fantastic. I mean, I'm going to leave those ones in. If they grow into new potato plants, then so be it. Fairly easy to pull potatoes off the plant. Some of them just fall off. You can see one right there. That's a good size. Look at the size of that. So we're pulling these out in prep for summer veggies. This is winter veggie crop. Have something growing, break up the soil. Oh, my potatoes don't like to stay attached to the plant. Makes it a bit harder. This one here that's actually rotted, it was the seed potato. There's nothing left of it, it's all gooey, and that's where the plant's actually stemmed from. Well, here we go. That's from that plant. Bit of a dig. Find anything. I think it was just the red varieties in this bed. There's another one. Around my peach tree. A lot of small ones on that. That's okay because left in the soil are those beauties. Those over there. Another one. There's another one. Another one. Sort of need to have a bit of a scratch around because, as you can see, most times they don't stay attached to the plant. Let's see what else we've got under here. Put those over there. Nothing's really stayed attached to that one. nice big one. There's another couple. Another couple. Oh, there's a good one. Right now on that one. More. Another bunch of plants there. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, here's a nice little stash there. That's another variety there. Wow, they look good. Get some of the grass out while we're here. It's a good workout pulling potato plants. Through all the compost. Oh wow. There we go. There's some. Yeah, there's a few little ones. Another one, wow, that's a good size. Love it when they surprise you with that kind of thing. Get there, it's a bit of a dig. Oh wow, a few just tumbled off that. Maybe the end of it. So let's see what we've got. Those over there. Those over there. Might be a couple little ones in there, but that's not really what we're going for, so we'll collect all this up and compost it down, put the nutrients back into the soil, and that's all for today. Until next time, bye.